Let's talk Tableau prep. All right, let's head over to the blueprint up here. I'm going to head into phase 2. Right here, mastering the core skills and Tableau prep. All right, so what is Tableau prep? Tableau prep is all about data cleansing and data preparation. So what does that actually mean? All right, when we receive data in the real world, okay, it's messy, okay? It's almost like if you have a clean data set and you give it to a child and they start adding random numbers and letters, they add columns, there's columns that are combined or split apart, there's rows that have nothing in them, it's just a mess. We need to clean that up because when we feed that into a visualization tool like Tableau and it's messy and it has errors, Tableau, number one, is not going to be able to read it, and whatever results come out, they're not going to be accurate. So garbage in, garbage out. Tableau prep helps us understand the data set and gives us tools specific to data cleansing to make it so much easier to clean and prepare that data. Right? So we're going to have a quick look. If this is the first course you are looking at, just as a reminder, there is a free preview. If you click on this, you will see videos from the course. Okay, introduction, what data cleaning is, so you can see a quick demonstration of what it is in Microsoft Excel, right? We'll talk about why cleaning in data Excel is actually very problematic. Excel versus Tableau prep, data cleansing, dealing with CSV files, clean steps, aggregations, and more. Okay, let's go back to course and let's have a look at the curriculum. Okay, here we go. This course is actually a monster. It's a monster of a course because of the very nature of data cleansing. The dirtier the data is, the more complex it is, the harder it is to deal with. And in the real world, you're never going to get, I won't say never, but you rarely get a 100% clean set. So part of our job as analysts is to find a balance. If 100%, right, cleaning the data to 100% means it's going to take 6 months, it's not feasible because the stakeholder needs an answer in 2 weeks. But can you get it to 80% clean or 80% accurate data means we can get the answer in 1 week. Okay, so finding that balance and deciding, well, should we clean this? Can we actually solve this particular problem? Yes or no? This is the part that is now reflecting real world situations. Okay, I've put a lot of that in here so you guys understand what we have to deal with day to day. So you're not surprised when you finally get the job, right? So we're gonna start with the introduction, just going through, Tableau prep versus Excel so you can kind of get an idea, because this is a flow tool, like a flow management tool, I guess you could say. It's the first time people are gonna see it. So we're gonna gradually transition from when you understand how Excel works and you go, oh, this part in Excel is actually this part in Tableau prep, and you start to see the similarities. We're going to talk about loading your data, different ways to connect to it, reading different files. Tableau prep's a little bit different to Tableau Desktop in that way. You can do a little bit more with Tableau prep in terms of managing your data. We're going to get into custom calculations right away, and the reason is because this is all about data cleansing and managing and adjusting your fields and your data to get the most out of it, to increase that accuracy. Right? You can see there's a lot of calculations, a lot you can do. You know what's crazy about filming these courses? When I try and cover an entire platform or an entire tool, at the end of it, after filming for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks, right, sometimes months, you're like, I feel like I still didn't cover everything. It's just so much to these tools. It's unbelievable, right? Then we're going to get into dates, text cleansing, numeric cleansing, right? All those are different types. We're going to get into different aggregation forms and some really clever tricks that you've probably never seen before of how we deal with very unique solutions, unique problems. We're going to get into pivot structures, pivot versus table, advantages, disadvantages, how we use them, how we don't use them, right? What situations. Again, every single one's going to have a assignment, right, for you to test your knowledge. There's going to be quizzes throughout the course. Not just this one, but every single one. There'll be video walkthroughs of exactly how I go about solving problems, right? We're going to get into unions. And I actually got this comment a while ago. Why do I generally teach unions and joins so late in my courses? That's because when you're a junior analyst or, kind of graduate level, you won't do that much unions and joins or advanced ones anyway, right? It's more important for you to understand the cleansing and all that. Once you get into unions and joins, you're now in, mid-level, senior level, because now you're dealing with multiple sources, right? That's when you start using these functionality. So you're going to get into unions. There's a whole bunch of ways to use unions in different situations. Then we have joins in Tableau Prep. We're going to cover all different ways to do it, different arrangements. You can do way more in Tableau Prep than you can in Tableau Desktop when it comes to joins, right? It's just going to blow your mind. So that's kind of, I guess, the beginner part of Tableau Prep. Then we get into intermediate. The thing is with the structure of this course, it's not that intermediate is harder than beginner. The structure is a little bit different in that in beginner, you're learning all the core skills and all the functionality of the tool. In intermediate, you're learning how to apply it for a project. So these projects are, they're going to contain a brief. And a brief is something maybe we'll receive when we're on the job. I'll get an email from the CEO or from my manager or from someone going, hey, Jed, we need your help. This is a situation. And they may give a very detailed one, pages long, of like, this is a situation, this is what we're dealing with, this is what we need to solve, blah, blah, blah. You go through all of that. Or sometimes, and this happens quite a lot to me now, is I'll get a single one-liner from, the director or the CEO or, senior management going, Jed, there's a problem, speak to George. And that's all you get, right? And then you have to figure out the rest, okay? It happens. So in project one, you're going to get full detailed report of everything that needs to be done. And I would actually say in this one, is you're working with a senior analyst and they're giving you the steps on how to go about solving the problem. Okay, they're working with you and you're collaborating. Okay, so you're going to go through exactly how that works. Project 2, there's a little bit less involvement from them. There's a lot less details coming from the stakeholder, and you have to figure out, well, how do I go about solving this problem? And then you get to project 3, and you can see here where I've gone intentionally and shown you the differences of how much info you get. So when you're a senior analyst, you're getting paid, the big bucks, we're talking 150, 180, 200, whatever it is. Managers don't need to hold your hand. They don't want to hold your hand. They just say, I got a call from Peter in accounting. They need help. Off you go. That's it. And then they're not checking up on you every day. They'll maybe have a weekly meeting, and then, on the Friday, the next week, they go, how did it go? Is it all solved? That's all they ask, right? So your skill as a senior analyst is be able to go end to end, managing the whole thing. That's your skill set. And you do that with very little information from up top, because that's your job. Okay. All right. So that's project 3. And then finally, we get into expert. Now, expert is about deploying your flow. Now, what is the flow? Flow is the actual programming that we do in Tableau Prep. We call it a flow. We can actually deploy that to Tableau Cloud, right? Why do we do that? It's because when data comes in, we can have the flow execute on schedule and create a data product in Tableau Cloud. Tableau Cloud will then refresh that data to all the dashboards connected, and everything from end to end is refreshing on its own, on a schedule, automated. It's a thing of beauty when you see it in the real world, when it's all set up. It's just like such a time saver, such advanced technology. It just blows my mind compared to what I had to do in the early days when it comes to data, right? Absolutely mind-blowing stuff. I love this course. I love Tableau Prep. All right, that is Tableau Prep. I hope you're as excited as I am. I'll see you in the course.